So this is the seat base foam for the Recaro seats, which I'm hoping to bring back to life, performing some magic. The back is ripped off already. That's really well. The front's got a big tear in it already. Hello, hello, please fix me. We're going to have a look at applying steam, because apparently that allows the foam to come back up. So we should see firsthand whether or not that's actually going to work. Make sure that's on camera, so we can see if we'll see if before and after. I've got a damp cloth. It's an old rag. It's not the wise face towel. I won't be using that one this time. And then as my lining board, just going to blast some steam through it. Could use one of them little steamers. You'd probably guess by now if I had one of them, I might have tried that. I currently do not have one. How's that look? You know, I might have done. Might have done. It definitely feels different. Let's get rid of that. Oh gosh. Sorry, camera. See what glued on originally. I will pick that up. I'm not that type of person. No, I think it might actually be working. I think it's got some depth back in it. So another go. See. Cloth's nice and warm. Definitely looks to have recovered a little bit. I tried just to do one half, obviously gone a bit over, to try and see if we could see a difference. This side feels so much better. This side feels like concrete. I feel the heat's come all the way through as well, which is good. So with these foams, I'm actually going to add, you know, 1/2 inch foam over the top. I'm going to reglue this, put a fabric over it, and then I'm going to glue a new foam over. Just 1/2 inch foam. That should give it a little bit more body. Should stick everything together, and then you won't get stuff like this showing through the Recaro fabric afterwards. I've done this previously on seats, and it looks like a new seat. It brings all the tension back in. Yeah, it's definitely worth doing. Right, I'll try and blast the other side. Same hot wet cloth. The iron's cottoned on. Hot. Look at that, it's hot. See the steam coming off it. It was very concave before, and I feel it has flattened off, whether it's risen, or if it's just the fact that it's kind of levelling off on this flat surface. But yeah, I want to say that's not a myth. I think that actually works. Interesting. It's good. It's good. So I've just blasted this end with steam, and this end has definitely recovered. This looks like a really good shape now. It's all nice and level. The sponge feels really good. I think this will actually glue back together much better now because the seam itself, if you can see on an angle, flipping camera, there you go. The frame itself just looks like really nice and flat. There you go. Definitely looks really nice and flat. It's got its original shape back. I think that is definitely a win. Myth busted.